outsourcing to free up your time, if you have the right mentality, is better than you saving money.
For sure.
That was such a hard lesson to learn. If you're a software company, I didn't learn how to code to save this myself. I brought on a trusted expert friend to do that so that I could focus on my expertise and save a lot of my time. Could I do everything?
Sure.
Maybe. I don't know. Would I want to? Hell no. Would that bring me joy? Hell no. I've outsourced my suck, I always like to say.
Austin Armstrong is a lifelong digital marketer, public speaker,
2x7-figure entrepreneur,
Host of the podcast Business Talk, and CEO of Syllabi.
an AI startup that helps content creators create, schedule, and publish videos in minutes. Austin has posted over 4,000 videos on TikTok, tripling his own business's revenue and thousands more across his clients' accounts.
There's so many people that think that they buy that one course online and their entire life is going to change. Well, sorry to break it to you, and any guru or anybody that pitches that to you, run.
If you're a millionaire, why sell a course?
Because they're straight up lying to you, and the reason that they're rich is because they're selling you that false dream.